Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to select Tools folder by tapping on it and click on Recorder app. Now tap on while using the app and allow. Then tap on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon, and if you wish to edit and save it, click on the track mark. Now you can delete your recording right away by choosing Delete, but you can also click on the track mark, name it, and save it by choosing OK over here. Now click on this button with 3 lines, and as you can see, after clicking Next and selecting Use this folder, I need to tap on Allow, and then my recording is here. If you wish to play it, just tap on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, tap on Delete icon at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!